In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your screen and share files separately in Zoom. Let's launch the Zoom app. Here, we can share our screen directly, but I want to show you how to share your screen in the middle of a meeting, so I will click on New Meeting. In the pop-up menu, click on Start. You can also join your meeting if you have it scheduled. Here, you can see that I am now in a meeting. In the bottom menu, click on Share. Now you can share your screen in two ways. You can just share your entire screen and show what you are doing, or you can share the screen of an open app window. Let's see the entire screen first. Click on Share. Here you can see that I am sharing my entire screen. Whatever I do here will be visible on the shared screen. After you are done, click on Stop Share to stop sharing the screen. Click on the Share option again. This time, I have opened Microsoft Office 365, and I want to share a presentation from there. Select the app window that you want to share, and click on Share. Here, you can see that my presentation window is open. Now I can present my presentation directly from here. Remember that you need to open an app beforehand to share just the app window. After you are done, click on Stop Share. Now, let's come to the Document Share option. To share any kind of document, you need to click on the Chat option. A chat window should appear on the display. At the bottom left corner of the chat window, you should see a file icon. Click on the file icon. In the pop-up menu, you get many options to share a file from. You can share files from Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, Google Drive, Box, Microsoft SharePoint, and your computer. As my file is in my storage, I will click on My Computer. Select your desired file from here. You can also add a caption for your file. After you are done, click on the Send icon. Here, you can see that our file has been shared. Now any member of the meeting can access and download it. But you should remember that if someone joins the meeting after you have shared a file, they can't see or access that file. So you might need to resend the file so that everyone can access it. Following these steps, you can share your screen and files easily in Zoom meetings.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.